Let's work in our Saxon math booklet today, boys and girls. We are starting off with lesson 21A. It's on page 55 at the bottom. It looks like this. You'll see the number 19 at the top. And we watched a video on pennies because we are going to be working with counting pennies today. So let's start at the top with number 19. You're going to be writing the number and saying it out loud as you write it. So, for instance, you would say 19, and the 19 is the 1 and the 9 together. 19. 19. Sometimes you'll have to say it 2 times as you're writing. 19. 19. 19. 19. There we go. 1 and 9 together are 19. Okay, so now we're going to do apple addition. So we're counting the numbers on the side of each of the apple. Count the seeds on the side of each apple. And then we're going to write the numbers on the line below each side. So you'll see there's our plus side. Plus side means addition. And then there's our equals, okay? So that's where we're going to solve our problem right there in the box, okay? So on this side of the apple, 1, I have 1 seed. On this side of the apple, I'm going to touch as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm writing the number 4. So we're solving for the problem 1 plus 4. Okay, so now I'm going to count all the seeds to find the answer. I'm not going to guess. I'm going to actually be a mathematician and use the evidence that I have here to count. So 1 plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By counting, I know that 1 plus 4 is 5, and then I write my answer right there. Okay, now in number 3, there's our pennies. It says color the pennies brown. So I'm going to be coloring them, and as I'm coloring them, I'm counting them. 1, 2, 3. So it says, how many pennies did you color? I colored 3, so I'm writing a 3 right there on that first line. Okay. Then the instructions say draw and color 1 more penny. So I'm going to use my pencil to just make a circle that's about penny size there. Okay. Then it says color the penny. So I need to draw it and also color it brown to show that it's another penny. And how many pennies do I have now? And it says, or how many pennies have you colored now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies. So we just solved for 3 plus 1. So that's also could be an addition problem. 3 plus 1 penny equals 4. Okay. Now down here in number 4, we're going to be doing ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are what we use to describe the winners of a race. So first, or teams playing baseball, who came in first place, who came in second place, who came in third place. So the first instruction here, it says, I'm going to circle the 6. It says draw 6 seeds in the second apple. So I need to find my second apple. First, second. So I'm going to draw 6 seeds in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this was my second apple right here. Okay, and another way for you to find your different apples is you could write a 1 below this one, a 2 below this one, a 3 below this one, and a 4 below this one, because 1 is first, 2 is second, 3 is third, and 4 is fourth. Okay? So the second sentence here says draw 4 seeds in the last apple. 4. Okay, so I know my last apple is right here, because that's the number 4, and I need to do 4 seeds in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 seeds are now in the last apple, which is also our 4th apple. Next it says draw 2 seeds in the first apple. The first apple is my number 1 apple, right? So I need to draw 2 seeds in there. 1, 2. Okay. Then it says to draw 5 seeds in the third apple. So let's do 5 in third is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have my 5 seeds in there. There is one more instruction right here. It says circle the apple with the fewest seeds. So fewest means the littlest, the least amount, okay? And so we know from here, from looking at these, it would be our first apple right here because it only has 2. This has 6, this has 5, and this has 4. All right, so we are done with this lesson. Give yourself an exit ticket at the top of the page.